Now to the Weather Watch, taking a look outside. Get ready for a wet and windy commute in the morning.
Mary Kay is here now with a forecast and just what time should we expect this rain, Mary Kay?
Looks like 5 to 9 a.m., but I really think the wind is going to be a bigger issue than the rain because we have a relatively dry air mass in place. But look at the winds. They start picking up over the next hour or so, and they could start gusting to about 30 miles per hour in places. The reason for that, we have high pressure over Cincinnati, low pressure not too far away, and between the two we get a tight pressure gradient, and that's what's pulling that gusty southwest wind and increasing it around the area. Now at the same time, this ridge of high pressure has been holding dry air in place. That's why we had such a beautiful day for us. So we see the winds ahead of the front, more for our western areas and right around Waukegan. Winds are just starting to pick up, but with that ridge of high pressure in place, I'm not expecting a huge rain event, but the focus would be during the morning rush, anywhere between 5 and 9, the height of it probably being between about 6 and 8 in the morning, and then the rest of the afternoon looks dry and quiet. Right now we're okay. We have 69 degrees, but those winds are picking up south-southwest. Sustained at 15, but gusting now to 21 miles per hour. We have 71 downtown and in Waukegan. It's 61 in Aurora, 65 in Ottawa, 68 degrees in Joliet. Well, the storms look very impressive to the west of us, from Marquette to Rhinelander to Waterloo. This area in yellow indicating where there is a tornado watch in effect until midnight. A lot of instability lining up just ahead of this frontal boundary. So large hail, damaging winds, and of course the threat of tornadoes, since they are under the tornado watch, all possible for this area north and west of us. The reason I'm expecting these to weaken as they move closer is because of the dry air that we enjoyed in place all day. Our dew point temperatures give us an idea. When we see 50s like this, that's more stable air. But when you see 70 in Kansas City, a dew point temperature of 67 in Des Moines, that's a surge of moisture that's coming just ahead of that front that's now crossing through Iowa. That's why they have the severe weather, and I'm expecting it to weaken for us. In fact, our futurecast models don't look that impressive. But here's that rain chance, and I'm thinking any thunderstorm threat probably would be west of 39 and near Rockford. We could have a rumble of thunder, but I'm thinking scattered showers here as we go through 5, 6 a.m., maybe through 7 a.m., and then things start to improve by the noon hour as that front pushes through. You can see the fast clearing here from McHenry, DeKalb, because the winds start turning. Once we pull a west wind in, that pulls in dry air, and that'll happen in the afternoon. Beautiful clearing by the afternoon rush hour with lots of sunshine. So as we time out the front, as it moves in the morning, notice how that line is broken now and not as impressive as we get into the daybreak time frame in the morning rush. So yes, a few scattered showers are possible, but I think the winds will be more noticeable than the rain because not everybody will get wet. And then in the afternoon, we'll start to see that clearing take shape, especially on Thursday. High pressure settles back into the picture, keeping conditions quiet. So look at the winds here coming up to 30 miles per hour at midnight and staying up through the night, even northwest Indiana by 5 a.m., having those big winds around. And then by noon, notice they start turning west. That pulls in the dry air, so our afternoon will be sunny. So maybe a little wet in the morning, windy all day, but again, it's a southwest wind early, then a drier west wind in the afternoon. And Thursday looks fantastic. 71, sunshine. Friday unsettled, though, with showers and storms moving back into the picture. So a little rain in the morning, but definitely windy.
Okay, Mary Kay, thank you.